Hey guys, Isaac Boots here, and Davis Boots, my little baby. And welcome to my home. Shall I show you around? Let's go. But instead of just giving you a tour, why don't we get a little workout in, right? Right? Yes. So this is a classic band workout that tightens your arms, tones, and really you can do it anywhere. Like my living room. So this is my main space in my 2-bedroom, 2-bath here on the Lower East Side. And it's kind of amazing because I've lived in many places around New York, and this is the best view I've ever had. So in designing the space, I really wanted to complement the incredible cityscape to create a jewel box in the sky. And that really started with color and art that I love. Let's go see it. I wanted to turn this apartment into my showplace, so it is specifically curated. There are no accidents. And that all started with this sofa. The color reminds me of the ocean water in Hawaii, where I'm from, so I always feel like I have a piece of home with me. Even these fabulous pillows here on the sofa are all gifts from my friends and clients. And seeing as I'm a multitasker, even when I'm sitting on the couch, I like to get a workout in. I would say my overall design aesthetic is colorful, is cheeky, slightly ironic, and representative of all my life experiences. For example, this carpet, it's comedic, it makes me laugh, so I wanted a coffee table that was translucent that I could always see it. Even this Polaroid, I take a snapshot of anyone that comes into the apartment and save it on this tray from my friend. Across from the sofa are these chairs I got from the Paris flea market. And what is a living room without some Cher coasters, right? Ultimately, I love to entertain, and this place has a party vibe, and great design is required. And this is where we eat, or as I like to call it, drink champagne and stretch in front of my 2 dance icons, Josephine Baker and Madonna. These chairs I love. I was obsessed with the color of them. They reminded me of Versailles and a sort of Marie Antoinette vibe. And this bar, I wanted it to be representative of my friends and some humor. And Kelly Ripa actually gave me this really amazing teacup that says Mommy Dearest, our favorite film. And even this fabulous poodle, which I got from a local artist in the Hamptons, which I love because it reminds me of my baby Davis. And these fabulous cookie jars of Davis and Marie Antoinette, but I like to say, off with her head, okay? And grab a cookie, of course, gluten-free. And I'm sure you're wondering what's in my fridge. Well, voila. We like to keep it very sensible, very curated. I keep my skincare in there, and more often than not, I like to have a midday rose water spritz. So this is my 2nd bedroom that I really use as a meditative space, a place to do live streams, and it's also a great place to do my workout on Zoom or whatever. I can just place my laptop down, do my little plank series. Davis loves to join in as well. We do a little push-up, right Davis? Yeah. And this is my bedroom. And so I really wanted to create a space that I felt safe in, that still had a flow of humor in it as well. And as we know, New York apartments, we like to economize space. So I have my bags as art on the wall. So if I need to use it, I just like take it off of the hook. And I have this great vintage mirror that I got in the Hamptons. I just loved it as soon as I saw it. And oh, and there's Davis and his carrot, which he's obsessed with. I've lived here for over 22 years, and I can basically see every apartment I've ever lived in. And this is my favorite one. And this is my bed, which I wanted to sort of make an oasis of pillows and blues, and it's all frette. Now, I'm not gonna show you what kind of exercise I do in this room, but let me show you how I end my day. What a better way to end your workout and your day with a sensible bath and a splash. So thanks for joining me today. Cheers.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?